Good to see you here again. This is WokTheTok, and today we look at how the richest man in Africa made his first million. For almost a decade, he carries the prestigious title of Africa's richest man. His name is Haji Aliko Dangote. Though born in a wealthy family, there is no proof that he inherited something substantial. The man earned it all, and in this video, we bring you exactly how Africa's top billionaire earned his first million. But as we dive in, please note, people's net worth changes every day based on the prevalent economic forces and their business engagements. This video is not meant to discredit or hype anyone, but to educate, inform, and inspire you to greater financial goals. Leave us a comment on what you learned from this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button if you are new here to catch our next millionaire video. Aliko Dangote is the founder, president, and chief executive of the Dangote Group, the largest conglomerate in West Africa. He is ranked as the 162nd wealthiest person in the world and the richest man in Africa, according to Forbes August 2020. His net worth is estimated to be $8.2 billion. Dangote was born on 10th April 1957 in Kano, a very prosperous business center since the 17th century. His grandfather, Alhaji Alhassan Dantata, was a very successful businessman, trading commodities in the region, which made him one of the wealthiest men in the west of Africa. Dangote was heavily influenced by these surroundings, and at a very young age, he started honing his skills. He is quoted in an interview, "I remember when I was in primary school, I would go and buy cartons of sweets, and I would start selling them to make money," he said. He went to school at Sheikh Ali Kumasi Madrasa, then Capital High School in Kano, and later graduated in 1978 from the Government College Benin Kudu. The billionaire also holds a bachelor's degree in business studies and administration from Al-Azhar University in Cairo, Egypt. At the age of 21, Dangote borrowed about $3,000 from his uncle, and he invested in commodity trading. He started importing soft commodities at a wholesale price and reselling in Nigeria at a handsome profit. Items included salt, flour, rice from Thailand, and sugar from Brazil, among others. His business became an immediate success, and by the age 30, he was a millionaire. In one of his interviews with Forbes, Dangote stated that on his best days, he was realizing a daily net profit of $10,000. He was able to pay back the loan from his uncle in only 3 months. Dangote transitioned from just trading to manufacturing in the mid-90s, which hugely accelerated his business growth and profits. His empire has a presence in 17 countries, and he owns the continent's largest cement producer. He lives on Banana Island in Lagos State, Nigeria. Dangote was named by Forbes as African Personality of the Year 2014, and he owns a private jet, the Bombardier Global Express XOS, which he purchased as a birthday gift, valued at $45 million, and a luxury yacht estimated at about $43 million. Dangote's story may not be a rags to riches one, but clearly he was not handed what he owns on a silver plate. He is a man who put the skills from his parents to hard and smart work, like any of us can do. Feel free to leave us a comment on what inspires you about this great man, and mention any great man that you would like us to profile in our next millionaire episodes. This is WokTheTok.